Hello friends, this is Suresh, SME in Automotive Dye Engineering. How are you friends? Corona second wave started. Let's take all the possible preventive actions to avoid infection for the self and family and community. Thanks for motivating me for sharing my knowledge, showing more than 7,000 views and 350 plus subscribers. Thank you very much. Let's go for the today's session 2.3 Bill of Material List, that is BOM list. Once again we can recollect the IPO model in die manufacturing for a few seconds, and under the input the third one is a BOM list. So this is a very simple small tool with various parts mentioned in the drawing, but if you just think through whether we will be able to manufacture die along with these minimum informations, no, not possible. These are high level informations and we need each and every part of the die elements to be mentioned for complete manufacturing of the die, and that is the item which we call bill of material. That includes all elements and accessories of die sets. How you will be seeing in the die drawings with the call out numbers starting from 1 to many numbers, depends on the die size, and you will see in the right side there is a tabular column which is starting from the same number system from bottom to top with the many empty cells where we are going to see the details are getting filled. So what are the details we are filling in the die design BOM list? Number 1, die material detail, which is nothing but raw material details of all the die elements. Number 2, all accessories, specifications and quantity detail. Number 3, standard parts along with manufacturer part number details. Number 4, customized parts details. Number 5, manufacturing process and finish detail. Number 6, die surface coating details if there are anything. And number 7, heat treatment process and hardness details. So we will see one by one in detail in the upcoming slides, and I will take through the first item, die material. So in die material I have broadly classified into two designs of die. Number 1, plate based die, and number 2, casting based die. The number 1, plate based die, you can find the various material we are using, starting from holder, which is nothing but top plate and bottom plate, and back plate, punch plate, stripper plates, die plates and nested plates, and punch and die. So these are the main components, and you can find various material used by the material available in their own countries. And the casting based dies, you can find the top die holder, pad, guide bars, and bottom die holder, punches, retainer. So basically the top die holder and bottom die holder, which is made up of FC25, FC30, stripper pad, heel guides, bottom holder. Number 2, all the accessories, specification and quantity detail. In that, the first one is clamping accessories like fasteners, screws, tie rods and nuts. The die designer need to mention the fasteners in detail. Number 2, error proofing and guiding accessories like dowel pin, grub screws, spring plugs. Number 3, the distance bolts, limit pipes, cotter pins, ejector pins, and electrical items like sensor, cable and joints. Automation items like pneumatic hose, connectors, bracket, vacuum cup. Number 3, standard parts along with the manufacturer part number details, which are standard piercing punch, retainers and die button. Standard guide elements like guide pillar, guide bush, wear plate. Standard cam units, PU items, coil springs. Number 4, gas springs, manifold items, feeding rollers. And number 5, pneumatic cylinder, vibrators and scrap tubes. Number 4, customized parts detail, which are nothing but tool room, own manufactured profile punch and profile die insert according to the component requirement, and trim steels, then locators, blank support plates, then die balancing blocks, stroke end blocks, scrap cutter and lifter assembly, and some of the customized cam and rotary cams. Number 5, machining process and finish detail. Number 1, metal cutting. This is the table which is showing the range of surface roughness value from the each metal cutting process and grinding process through the abrasive wheels. And taking an example, planning or shaping, the surface roughness value starting from 1.6 to maximum up to 12.5 micron meters. And if I take any abrasive process of grinding or polishing, you will find the polishing from 0.1 micron meter to 0.4 range. So this is very important with respect to the tool manufacturing functionality requirement. We need to know what is the surface roughness requirement. Microstructure view, with respect to cutting tool application, you will find the different forms of geometry, and then you will see the die designer uses this symbol, which is old methodology inverted triangle, starting from 1 triangle to maximum 4 triangle. And you can see the numbering system also. N1 is the finest form and N12 is the roughest form. And in the drawings you will find nowadays triangle along with the leader line, and also in the BOM list. Number 6, die surface coating details. Surface coatings are important when the die volume is more, as well as we need to prevent from the defects which are related to die surface roughness and even cutting life enhancement. I have categorized into 4 types of coatings. Number 1, hard chrome plating. Number 2, CVD coating. Number 3, PVD coating. And number 4, TD coating. So I will take each and every coating methods in the future with a separate presentation. Number 7, heat treatment process and hardness detail. So heat treatment process is important for the tool manufacturing, and there are 5 types of heat treatment processes there broadly, which we are using in tool manufacturing. True hardening process, flame hardening process, induction hardening process, laser hardening, and case hardening. And this is an example of HRC range which you can refer. Let's have a quick recap. Bill of material list of die sets includes: number 1, die material detail. Number 2, all accessories specification and quantity detail. Number 3, standard parts along with the manufacturer detail and part number. Number 4, customized part details. Number 5, machining process and finish detail. Number 6, die surface coating detail. And number 7, heat treatment process and hardness detail. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please click the like button and do not forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.